Hey guys, welcome back to Error Math. Hope you all are studying fine. And welcome to our new series, Error Math Extras. Have you ever wondered 1 divided by 0 or rather any number divided by 0 is infinity? How? We have encountered this kind of expression most of the times. But now let us see, is really anything divided by 0 is infinity? For that, first we need to see how division happens. Let us take 8 and divide it by 2. We know 8 divided by 2 is 4. And what division is? It is a simply repeated subtraction of the denominator from the numerator. Now in this case, it is 8 minus 2, which is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Did you see what we just did here? We subtracted 2 from 8 and we did this 4 times until the answer becomes 0. That is what division is. A repeated subtraction. We will take one more example. Here 9 by 3, which we know is equal to 3. And according to this, we can write it as 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. And 3 minus 3 equals 0. Again, we subtracted 3 from 9 until it becomes 0. So now let us keep these two aside and let us take another expression. 9 divided by 0. According to these repeated subtractions, 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Again, 9 minus 0 is 9. I don't see that this will come to an end. And the series of number which never ends is known as infinity. So that means 9 divided by 0 is infinity. Not only for 9, any number we know as x, and x divided by 0 is infinity. Perfect. Agreed? Now let us take another case as 8 upon 0, which comes again as 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 0, 8. And again it goes on up to infinity. That means 9 divided by 0 is infinity, which is again equal to 8 divided by 0. Which means we can equate these two fractions, and by equality we get 9 is equal to 8, which is not correct, right? Because 9 and 8 are two different sets of numbers. 9 will not be equal to 8. That means this equality is not correct, which means all this is incorrect. Confused? Alright, let us take another approach. Now we know that 9 divided by 1 is 9 and 9 divided by 0.1 is 90. Similarly, 9 divided by 0.01 is 900 and 9 upon 0.001 is 9000. This expression can be continued further. Now here the right hand side of the expression we can see 9, 90. 900, 9000. It's increasing and increasing up to where? Up to infinity. Similarly, the left hand side of the equation in the denominator 1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. What is happening with this denominator? It is decreasing up to 0 here. That means our expression according to this comes to 9 divided by 0 equals to infinity, but with a different approach here. Let us keep this expression aside and now let's see 9 divided by minus 1, which is minus 9. 9 divided by minus 0.1 is minus 90. 9 divided by minus 0.01 is minus 900. And this keeps on going. Again, here the right hand side of the equation is going towards infinity, but here it is going towards negative infinity. And in the left hand side, the denominator is going towards 0. So that means 9 divided by 0 is infinity. And also 9 divided by 0 is negative infinity. How is that possible? For same expression, we are getting two different answers. I say that 9 upon 0 equals to infinity is the correct answer. But my friend here says that 9 upon 0 equals negative infinity is the correct answer. But we both are incorrect here. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is not defined. 9 divided by 0 is undefinable. We cannot equate two sets of infinity and negative infinity for same expression at the same time. This is the correct answer for every number divided by 0. So therefore, any number divided by 0 is not defined. So guys, if you find this video interesting, then do give it a like. And if you want us to make these kinds of more videos, then do comment the topic in the comment section. Till then, stay safe and study well.